State government say the Edo International Mining and Mineral Processing Plant for Akoko-Edo gets the capacity to create over 5,000 direct and indirect jobs when the government complete them. The Deputy Governor, Engineer Marvelous Omobayo, talked this one during inspection of the project site for Dambala, Ward 5, Akoko-Edo local government area. For talk session with Tori people after inspection of the plant, Omobayo say when the project dey complete, e go house various sections wey include International Laboratory Center where exportable mineral resources go dey tested before exportation. Omobayo County talk say the project go serve as a center for Edo State where other neighboring states go fit bring their mineral resources for test to meet international best practice.
Dambala is in Ward 5, Akoko-Edo local government. It's a hub of solid minerals. This edifice that is in progress is called the Edo or International Mining Processing Plant. It's basically divided into 3 sections. You have the lab where you do the analysis. You know, we do not have anything like that in Edo, not even in Edo State. So when you come here and you intend to do exploration, you have to first of all take samples to an international standard laboratory. So this edifice is going to provide that. And that is number 1. We also have, it's an analysis center actually, not just checking for the mineral. You now have to analyze and see in what deposit, what you call commercial deposit. So this lab is going to serve as a center in Edo here, where other areas, whether in Edo North, South, even from Delta, as far as Cross River, they will come here for analysis. Yes, it's going to be, that's one part of it. Then the commercial part of it is that whatever come out of this local government from this state must pass through. There's a public-private arrangement to that. Yes, for example, we have gold in Dambala, so it's not just nobody's just going to come here and buy gold. No, it will come through this. It's because it's for government. It's a government-private arrangement. So there are certain stratas as to how the resources will be allocated to the people. So it's an international mining processing plant. Yes.
The number 2 citizen also visit the ongoing coated calcium carbonate plant owned by Zedon Industries for Ward 3, Lampese for the same Akoko-Edo.
We are currently in Lampese, Ward 3, Akoko-Edo local government. From the best of my understanding, this is a Zedon group of industries. They are into calcium carbonate. It's supposedly, by the grace of God, a 200,000 metric ton arrangement. What that translates to is, if this sees the light of the day, it's going to see the light of the day in a few months. What the governor has deliberately done, he has created an environment that will make Akoko-Edo independent. Because whether you like it or not, we have everything it takes so that we do not have to bother with what comes in from the federal or state. We will even export resources from here to assist other local government. That is my thinking. What they are doing, what makes this particular outfit different, they call it coated calcium carbonate. It's not the conventional type. That's what you have every other place. You know what I mean by calcium carbonate? The dolomite, all those. The end product is for paints, quality paints, ceramics, and all of that. The list is endless. It is. So we want to thank Governor Obaseki because it's not easy. Buying and selling is easy, but to say I want to deliberately create an environment where industry can thrive. Is trying to industrialize Akoko-Edo again. And the last time we had it like this was Chief Lucky Benedion, and it wasn't sustained. So that is why we are saying that Asue Godalo, his candidacy must fly, and he must continue from where Obaseki stopped, so that another 8 years from now, you will see what will happen in Akoko-Edo will amaze you. Akoko-Edo will now be a destination. It's going to be an industrialized place. And of course, if you go to the other parts of Edo North, especially Isako West, Isako East, especially Isako, you have Boa, Dangote, all of that arrangement were made possible because of his support.
The project manager wey follow Tori people talk, Engineer Mahari Davis, explain say the project go bring development and create jobs for the use of the community when it dey complete.
This is Zedon Industries, and what we do here is to see how we process this dolomite crude into different materials. We have our ultrafine products, we have our coated products, and that's actually the main aim here. But this company's aim is to bring youth development to this community. Right from day one, when I came here, initially we wanted to make use of Ekpedo, but through divine intervention, we came here. Is a connection to Abuja axis, and to the Lagos axis, and we said, wow, this is a wonderful place to locate this industry. And by the special grace of God, they've been very cooperative. They've done the best they can do to us, to give us the advice, give us the support, and by the special grace of God, we'll be completing this by the end of May. By the special grace of God, and we'll be operating this place by June 1st.
The coated calcium carbonate plant project go dey complete in May, while production go begin in June 2024. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Akoko-Edo local government area of Edo State, Chidinma Onwebu, TMC TV News.